And for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make my sweet and crispy chili beef. Keep on watching! I'm using shredded beef, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon 5-spice, a teaspoon white pepper, and an egg. Now we're gonna mix it up all together and marinate it for half an hour in the fridge. Now we are going to make the sauce for our crispy chili beef. I'm using 4 brown serving spoons of sweet chili sauce, 2 spoonfuls of SilverSwan soy sauce, 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce, a teaspoon of liquid seasoning, three teaspoons ginger paste, 1 spoonful of honey, 2 spoonfuls of hoisin sauce, 1 spoonful of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of onion salt. Mix it together and set it aside in the fridge. In a dish, get your corn flour ready for you to coat your meat, or in our case, our shredded beef. This step can get fiddly as you have to coat the meat one at a time into the flour, but it's worth all the hard work. Once the pan is preheated, we can now saute the onions, the garlic, and the chilies. For the complete list of ingredients, please check the description box down below. We can now add on the bell pepper too. And just pour in the rest of the ingredients into the pan. Add on some salt. And now the beef. Now pour in the sauce and carry on mixing. Now sprinkle the spring onion. And here is my spicy and crispy chili beef.